Hi, my name is Aaliyah Corpening, and I will be presenting Analyzing Crowdfunding Campaign. For my first visual, this visual helps answer the question of what are the most successful Kickstarter campaigns. In the graph, I included the main categories presented in the dataset alongside their goal and what they pledged. The red column demonstrates the category's goal, while blue is demonstrating the pledge. You will notice that the category with the most success is games, and the category with the least amount of success is food. I came to this conclusion because games has the largest margin of success because it pledged significantly higher than its goal. On the other hand, food has the largest margin of failure. It pledged significantly lower than its goal. Games was able to produce a higher outcome because they had a large number of backers that allowed them to produce a higher rate of success than any other category. For Visual 2, this visualization is used to answer the question, what are the features of a successful campaign? The x-axis represents the state of success and failure, while the y-axis represents the average of backers. You'll notice in this graph, the average of backers that are successful is significantly higher than the backers that failed. In the previous visualization, you will notice that the outcome is opposite. This is because the categories that set a lower goal reached higher success rates because they had a significant amount of backers, while the categories that set a higher goal failed because of the lack of backers. This makes sense because the categories that reached success had a lower goal with more coverage in case of failure, and the categories that failed because they set too high of a goal and did not have enough coverage in case of failure. This visualization answers the question stated because the features of a successful campaign happens when you have a significant number of backers in preparation that your campaign may fail. For visualization number 3, this visualization is used to answer the question, what is the probability that a campaign will fail? The x-axis is used to represent the state of success and failure, while the y-axis represents the average goal of each category. You will notice in this visualization that the average goal of success is significantly lower than the average goal of failure. This is because the categories that reached success had a lower goal so that they were able to pledge higher, while the categories that failed set a goal that was too high to pledge. In this visualization below, I will explain the significance of having a lower goal and why that produces more success for some categories. This visualization answers the question stated because the probability of a campaign failing is because the goal is set too high. For visualization number 4, this visualization simply shows each category and their success rate. You will notice that the most successful campaigns were with games, while the least successful campaign is